Financial report represents a proper financial activity record that helps put an entity in the right perspective by revealing its strengths and weaknesses. Welcome to another edition of the Nigerian Investor. Last week we talked about Nigerian stock market and the build-up to the general elections. Today we want to look at the 2014 audited financials and the levels of compliance. The idea of financial reporting by coded firms listed on any bourse around the world is one sure way to help project such firms to both prospective and existing investors, as well as every stakeholder in such company. The financials of a firm should be able to tell and clear basic questions and doubts, such as whether the business is making a profit or loss, how do assets each up against liabilities, what is the source of the business capital and how is it being used, cash flow from the profit or loss for the period, whether the business reinvests all its profits or some, if the business has enough capital for future growth, etc. A quick review of quoted firms listed on the Nigerian bourse that has released their 2014 audited financial statement revealed that 40 firms have complied as at 30th March 2015. Financial service sector recorded the highest level of compliance with 12 companies and closely followed by consumer and industrial goods sectors with 7 and 6 firms respectively, while agriculture, construction, real estate and healthcare sectors all have 1 each. Zenith Bank from the financial service sector recorded the highest earnings with 403,343 million and closely followed by Guarantee with 278,520 million gross earnings, while the two firms also lead in PAT. Also, further analysis on the price performance of the stocks after the release of their 2014 financial reflected that some of the stocks rallied while some recorded losses. Out of the 40 stocks involved, 10 recorded losses, with AfriProd topping with 14.67% loss, while Champion tops the stocks that rallied with 35.46% gains. As at 1st April 2015, 38 quoted firms have released their financials and have recommended dividend, while 3 of such firms recommended both dividend and bonuses. The 9 kobo dividend proposed by Total is the highest so far, while the 4 kobo proposed by McNichols is the least on record during the period of review. The following agents are upcoming in the market: FCMB on the 23rd of April 2015, Julius Berger on the 17th of April 2015, Mobil Oil PLC on the 28th of May 2015, Livestock PLC on the 17th of June 2015, and Sterling Bank PLC on the 30th of April 2015. The following companies has recommended dividend: J. Berger PLC recommended 37 kobo with closure date set for 1st of June 2015. Mobil Oil recommended 660 kobo dividend with closure date set for 29th April 2015, and Sterling Bank PLC recommended 6 kobo with closure date set for 13th of April 2015. On announcement in the market, CWG schedules 28th board meeting for April 16. The 28th meeting of the Board of Directors of Computer Warehouse Group will hold on Thursday, 16th day of April 2015 at Block 54A, Plot 10 off Rufus Giwa Street, off Adebayo Adohati Road, Lekki Phase 1, Lagos at 12 noon to transact the following business. 1. Review and adopt minutes of the 27th meeting of the Board of Directors held on 11 December 2014. 2. Consider matters arising from minutes of the 27th meeting of the BOD held on 11 December 2014. 3. Discuss 2014 audited accounts. 4. Review Q1 2015 financial report. 5. Report and consider prayer from the following board committee: Financial Audit and Risk Committee, B. General Purpose Committee. 6. Any other business. CWG announces profit warning for 2014 financial year. Following the preliminary review of the consolidated draft management account, the Board of Directors of Computer Warehouse Group wishes to inform the shareholders and potential investors that the audited 2014 full-year results of the company are expected to record significant earnings shortfall as compared to 2013 financials. The earnings shortfall were principally driven by a one-off provision for currency depreciation of not less than 380 million naira following the exemption of goods participation from the official foreign exchange market, where it had to source dollar for its imports, pursuant to a directive of the Central Bank of Nigeria, which affected the information technology business generally, as well as a subsequent devaluation of the naira during the period under review. On people and changes in board, GT Bank appoints Osarete Afsat as board chairman. Guarantee rights to inform the impending retirement of the current chairman of the bank, Mr. Egbert Ulogo Imomo, at the end of the forthcoming annual general meeting of the bank, holding on Tuesday, March 31, 2015. In line with the well-defined succession plan of the bank, The board of directors of the bank has approved Mrs. Soreti Afusat Demoren as chairman to take over from Mr. Imomo upon his retirement. On the Watchdog segment, NSE reviews NSE Lotus Index. The Nigeria Stock Exchange announced the review of the NSE Lotus Index to coincide with the end of the first quarter 2015. The review became expedient following the expected merger of Lafarge Cement PSA and Ashaka Cement PSA later in the year. The recomposition of these indices after review will be effective on Wednesday, April 1, 2015. That's all we have for you on this edition of the Nigerian Investor. I remain your regular anchor until I come again next week with another edition. Bye for now.